In this video, we will show you how you can use SportsWare Online's active listing screens to help save time updating some of your athlete, injury, and treatment information. We will start by showing you the options within the athlete database. To start, you can search for an athlete, or if they're already appearing on your listing screen, you're going to click the pencil icon to the left of their name. From there, you'll be able to update their athlete status information and what sports they participate in. Go in and make your edits on the athlete if they are active, if they're cleared to play by completing their preseason paperwork, and what their practice and game status is, and any status notes for your coach's report. You can also adjust Sport 1, 2, and 3 if the athlete is now participating for different teams. If you're utilizing the Paperwork tab, you also have the option to view and update the dates for your different paperwork items. Once you're done with your updates, you can save the changes or hit cancel to prevent any of those changes from being saved. Switching to the injury database, again, you'll start by searching for an athlete, or if they appear on your listing screen, you can click on that pencil icon to the left of their name. From here, you can now update the athlete's practice and game status. You can input a return to play date, as well as a close date to close out the injury. You'll also be able to add in new notes for the injury record, as well as assign these notes a permission access if you're utilizing that feature. Again, click Save or Cancel to update or cancel any changes. And lastly, switching to your treatment database, you once again can search for the athlete or click on the pencil to the left of the name if they already appear on the screen. Again, we can update the athlete's practice and game status for coaching reports, modify the injury that this treatment record is associated with, as well as add a new injury note to the record and assign it any view permissions. Once you're done, you can click Save to update these changes or Cancel to nullify them. If you have any further questions, please contact your sales rep at CSMI.